Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git Pull from GitHub. Okay, so let's get started. Pulling to keep the up to date with the changes. When you are working as a team on a project, it is important that everyone stay up to date of whatever the updates are there. You should have. So anytime you start working on the project, you should get the most recent changes to your local copy. So with Git, you can do it using pull. Pull is a combination of two commands that are fetch and merge. Now let's take a closer look to fetch, merge and pull. So fetch means get all the change history of a track branch or repo. So on this local hit, fetch the update to see what has changed on GitHub. So git fetch origin. Now you can see all the recent changes which are done. Okay, git status, you will able to see what is the status. And logs, how you will see git logs origin hyphen commit. Okay, all the logs you can see. And what are the difference? So git difference origin hyphen master. So all the difference you can see. Now you have to merge and git merge origin hyphen master. Okay, git status, you to check all the updates. Now you have to pull, have to take out the code to yourself. Okay, so you will write git pull origin, whatever will be there, then you can use it. Pull is like fetch and then merge. Okay, so we will check it. Yeah, so this is fine. So if you have any question related to this video, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye.